Alright, let's look at the homework 4.9, problem number 8. Alright, so let's do this problem. Alright, it says that we want to find a function f whose derivative is that guy. Alright, so we know that, let's see, f of x can be found by taking the antiderivative, so it's a 2x cubed dx. Right, so since 2 is just a constant, that we can just leave it alone. Right, then power rule, add 1 to the power and divide by that power. Then you have plus some constant c. Right, then we can cancel 2 and 4, and there's going to be 2 left. So we have 1/2 x to the 4th power plus some constant c. Alright, now we need to find the constant c. And also it says that the line 16x plus y equals 0 is tangent to the graph of f. Alright, so let's look at the slope here. Slope is so 16x plus y equal to 0. So we can simply subtract 16x from both sides. So you get the y equals negative 16x. Right? So you can see that the slope is actually 16. Right? So we want to find the so f prime derivative always tells you about the slope of the tangent line. So we want to find the x value, which makes derivative equal to negative 16. So you have a 2x cubed. We set that equal to negative 16. Right? Then we can just divide through by 2. We get x cubed is equal to negative 8. Then take the cube root of both sides to get x equals negative 2. Alright, so when x equals negative 2, we're going to have the correct slope, which means that the tangent line is, this is the point of tangency. Alright, so I'm going to plug this guy back into the equation over here. So y is equal to, right, negative 16, and x came out to be negative 2. Right, so this gives us 32. Right, so we have a point of tangency, which is negative 2, comma 32. So this is where tangent line touches the graph of f. Right, so we can use that to find c. So f of negative 2 is equal to, right, so 1/2 and a negative 2 to the 4th power plus c. Alright, so negative 2 to the 4th power is 16 divided by 2, so that will be 8 plus c is equal to 32. Right, which means that we can subtract 8 from both sides. So we're going to have, let's see, 24. Right, so c is equal to 24, so therefore we found the complete formula for f of x, which is 1/2 x to the 4th plus 24. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so you have 1/2 x to the 4th plus 24. Alright, and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.